Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-Pace. The first Jaguar luxury performance SUV brings together sporty handling and dramatic beauty with everyday practicality and efficiency, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.